How to take photos on DeepSeek AI. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take photos on DeepSeek AI. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the DeepSeek AI application and then hit open. And here you can see that when you click on open, you will be redirected to your chat. So if you wish to take photo on DeepSeek AI, such as if you're having any coding problem or any mathematical problem or any other problem, and you wish to take picture right now and ask DeepSeek AI about it, you can just click on plus icon over here, and then you got to click on photo OCR. And once you click on that, you can take any photo and then press on this over here. And once you click on any picture, you can click on use photo, or you can even retake it. And after that, you can ask them any questions such as tell me the answer of this, tell me the answer of this. And now you can see that the picture that I took did not contain any text. That's why it's written no text extracted. Make sure that the picture you're taking contains any text for DeepSeek AI to read that. And once it reads that, you can tell them the question and then just hit enter, and DeepSeek AI would answer that for you. So that was how you can take photos on DeepSeek AI. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.